What's up, everybody? Thank you guys so much for tuning in to Tea with Tiasia. My name is Tiasia Cockrell, and this is my channel. So today I'm showing you guys I'm gonna say $5. It's not jewelry. This fly synthetic wig that I picked up from my local beauty store, and yeah, giving me all types of looks and vibes. But I really like it. I do. It's a definitely a big switch up for myself, because I'm that girl that sticks to dark hair only. And so once I seen these wigs, it was like buy three for $20. I was like, might be time to change it up. So this is the look that I got. If you guys loving it, please go ahead and stay tuned, and I will show you guys how I threw it on, how I plucked the part, some baby edges and all baby edges. Got me some baby hairs and all that, and yeah, so stay tuned. Alright, you guys, so I have my stocking cap. I just had a little brown one. I just threw it on, and I usually like, anytime I have a parted wig, I kind of cut it where it is, because I like to use my baby hair to kind of blend my hair and my wig together to make it look a little more realistic. So that's what I did. So I cut it a little bit on this side, because I'm pretty sure I'm going like slick this down and use it as type of baby hair, because I don't really like to use baby hair on wigs. It's just I don't know. Okay, so here is the wig. It's a little similar to the wig I just did a review on, or a review / tutorial on, but this one has a little bit of like a blondish highlight. Super cute. And then it kind of comes up a little bit, tapered up a little bit in the back. Alright, and then here is the box. So it's from the Sheer Muse Sensational Collection. And then I got the color, I think I got the light golden brown ombre. Actually, no, I'm lying. I got the medium ash blonde ombre. So this is the stock photo. She looking cute. All right, so let's see. I'm gonna throw homegirl on. Actually, we're gonna brush her out just a little bit. My wig brush has been through some wigs this week, so hence all the hair in it. Don't even mind it. Don't mind it. All right, so we're gonna throw her on. Oh, also it does have the clip or the straps in the back, and then the combs in the inside. So if you're used to using those, they do have that on this wig. Oh, one more thing. So one thing synthetic wigs have been like coming up with, and I really love that they're doing it, is that they have like a strip of lace, right? I'm gonna tell you why this is helpful in a minute, but it makes it look so much better. Instead of it looking like a Party City wig, we gonna turn this into your homegirl made this wig for you, or you made it for yourself. Okay, so here is what she looks like. Okay, let's transform this thing right here. All right, so step one, brush it out one more time. I suggest you use something kind of bigger, like one of these brushes, because you don't want all your waves and your curls to leave. She's giving me Marilyn Monroe kind of look. I don't know. All right, so we are going to push this back, and we're gonna bring some baby hairs up. So what you're gonna do is take your water bottle. This is also, this is optional as well. So actually, we're gonna push her back a little bit. But yeah, so if you guys have baby hairs and you want to use them, I suggest you do this step, because it makes it look a lot more realistic. Take what kind of gel you usually use. I love Ecostyling Gel. Go throw just a little bit on there, right? As I dump it on there. And you guys see brown is some of my makeup. Don't even. Homegirl not dirty. Okay. And then we're gonna take some type of, this is also optional, but I like to use a soft gel first and then throw it on with some type of holding gel, edge control, just to keep that baby hair in place. Because I find when you put the like edge control straight on your edges, it just gets so hard and just, oh, how do you function? Alright, take that. Just wipe some of this makeup off. See, I don't think I'm dirty. Alright, so we're gonna take some of take your comb, edge comb thing, and make some baby hairs. All right, here we go. I had the whole edges on my, I wasn't going for that look. No, no sir. All right, so however you make your edges, do that. Just to give it a little bit more realistic look. I wish I could see a little bit better, but here is far away. But y'all get the gist. So make your baby hairs however you want them to be. All right, then we're gonna bring. Okay, then we're gonna bring our wig back up, and voila. So now, so we have those edges. So now we're gonna take our tweezers. And the goal is just to kind of like take this from being so formatted and so close together and just plug random hair so it could just open up the valley. Open up the valley, cause honey, this part is closed. Just kind of keep tweaking. Okay, so as you guys can see, it opened up it opened up a good amount. So pretty much just keep plucking until your desired look comes through. Now, here is the key to the lace, which is awesome that they put lace into these wigs. So because it's like lace right here, like get a little section, but you're about to use it, right? So what we're gonna do is pluck all on the edges of the lace. So let me see. So it's right here. So we're just gonna keep plucking the edges because when it opens up, it's gonna look like your scalp, which is going to lay flatter on your forehead, right? Instead of it just being a big bump right there. Like you guys see it opening up. That's like the key to synthetic wig plucking. Use all the lace that they give you. That's how it's gonna look more realistic. Alright, so last step pretty much, after you pluck and do everything you want to do with your parting, you're gonna take some makeup, and I'm using my palette, contour palette. And we're gonna use the dark, we're gonna use a combination of the dark and medium color, okay? So we're gonna take this with my brush. And we're going to pat it down. Go all the way down on my part. Now I'm going to go with the lighter color. I just feel like, because the light is too dark for me, or too dark for me. The light is too light for me and the dark is too dark, so I do both colors. Just to get a little medium color scheme for me. Then if you want to, you can also just throw it on your forehead. Now what I'm going to do, because I don't like to use glues or anything, I do still use my spray. It's been through some things. It has been. And I just spray the part. Now this is how I think it makes it look more realistic. Is when you spray the part, take like a comb or something. I use like the edge, which I don't even know what this is for, but it works. And I just push it down. And I like kind of move it around. And yeah. And put a little bit more makeup on it. Alright. I'm a tucker. I like to tuck some hair behind my ear at all times. It's kind of my thing. Don't do too much. I'll probably fix up my baby hairs one more time just to get them more defined. All right, and put on my little jewelries, and I'll show you guys what I'm looking like. All right, you guys, so this is the final look. This is definitely a different kind of look for myself because of the ashy blonde, but it's super cute. I love it. And then the back is cut into a shorter kind of bob. It's like a not too short, but not long. All right, and then you can tuck it back here if you want to, or just leave it. It's got the bangs, and yeah. So I'm loving this look. I hope you guys love it as well. I hope this helped you if you guys are trying to throw you on a synthetic wig, need to make it look more realistic. I got you. Also, I did add some more of the light brown on my part just to make it come out a little bit more, because it was definitely hiding, and that wasn't it. So I forgot to mention that this wig is called Zion, and then once again it is the medium ash. Is it the medium ash? It's the medium ash blonde ombre. Okay, so if y'all wanted this blue look, this one is called the Denim Ombre. And then it's also safe up to 300, well, between 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So y'all want to throw some heat on here, you can. I would not suggest put too much on there because it is, once again, a synthetic wig. But yeah, I love it. Come through. Sensational, I feels. If you guys liked and enjoyed this video and tutorial, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, please. And then go ahead and subscribe to my channel, follow my journey, and just, yeah, let me know in the comment section what helps you out, what you found was useful, and let me know if you have any tips for myself, because I love taking in new tips and ideas. So other than that, thank you guys so much for tuning in to my channel, and I will see you guys later. Bye.